Hey everybody, welcome back. If you want to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time and you are wondering if you are able to do it or not, today we are going to guide you through the process. So I just get started. So we have some option available. It is doable, but you can work it around if depending upon the device, whether using PC or multiple devices. So one option is using two devices, one of the easiest way. So you can use PC plus laptop or PC plus phone or laptop plus phone. So you can launch Roblox on both of the devices. You can go to Roblox on one of your device and log in with your account here. And similarly, on the other device as well, you can go ahead and open up Roblox on that device as well and access Roblox and launch Roblox on both devices, but you can log in with same account and that should probably work smoothly. No hacks needed. Apart from that, you can use two accounts on the same PC. This is trickier because Roblox normally blocks running multiple instances in the same Windows user session. But you can do it probably in two separate instances or sandboxing. First of all, you can open up Chrome and go to Roblox. Maybe you can just go and do so. If you're not logged in, you can log in. And apart from that, if not Chrome, you can use any other browser. So we have other browsers such as Edge or Brave. So you can select this option. I would like to do this one right here. And you can directly go to Roblox, hit enter. And if you're not logged in, you can log in and log in with your account. You can use the login option at the top and use your credentials right there to log in. And what you can do is you can launch the Roblox game into the browser instead of the launcher. So you can just go over and do so because some games may not allow multiple sessions from the same PC due to networking conflict. And that is it. You can just go over and do so. You can log in with Roblox and log in with a second account as well and see if your PC can handle it running two sessions simultaneously. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.